right? I'm in heaven.
So your Mobula 8 has no range. Let's open this up and remove this antenna because it's dead. Okay, you're going to cut a wire 31 millimeters, and then you're going to solder it to one of the four things that's the closest to the diode. Do you see that diode hiding there? That's the one you solder it to. And since I had to do that, I figured I'd modify the camera mount. I know it doesn't seem like it has as much protection, but it's lighter, so more performance and a little bit less protection, because some of us like to do things a little bit risky. It's so windy. What the? It's not set up right. I need a screwdriver. You know what? There's a dollar store. I do this for 3 years and I make 40 bucks. I make 40 bucks a month. It's amazing. But I get to hang out with you guys and that's priceless. Okay, let's go to the dollar store. I screwed this on this way when it should be this way. So we might just fly in the mall because it's bloody raining. Is there any chance you have a little screwdriver I could just use for a little bit? Wrong stuff. And I screwed it on. Yes. Screwed it on the wrong way. Oh, I'm just that person where, you know, you want to go do something and then it starts raining or fix it, and then it'll be pouring rain outside. Oh, there's security. I don't know what range I'm gonna have. Yeah, let's go.
Please don't.
Okay.
Just even it's not allowed to record, or so that's why.
This is a little toy.
Yeah, I know it's a toy, but people might gonna have complaints.
Okay.
All right, so thank you.
Have a good day. Oh no.
I heard a rumble.
What?
I heard a rumble.
Mama's spying on me. You just miss me so much.
So much.
to prop. Flies nice though. It's windy as crap.